Let all the way out. Out, out, out. Good. Breath in, let it all go. And out, 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 out. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and get started. You can lay face down, okay?
She's 86. Can you believe it? Look how good she looks.
Oh, yeah. She looks amazing.
Chiropractic Care for life. And she's 86.
Yeah. All right. Has the back been feeling good?
Yes.
All right. Because I think last time you were in was mid-September, I think it was.
Yeah, it was in September. She comes every 2 weeks. We had to change it around if we went to.
Yeah. All righty. Okay, Joan. Let's get started. Take a deep breath in. Let all the way out. Out, out, out. Good. Good. We're going to do one more down here. Deep breath in. Let it all go. And out, 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 out. Oh, yeah. That was a good one, yeah. Let's check those hips here. Righty. Good. What do you guys have going on today?
It's our errand running day.
Gotcha.
So she's getting preventative stuff like bone density and mammogram.
Okay. Alrighty. There we go. This one's straight, this one bent. Beautiful. Now bring the shoulder forward. Perfect. You're gonna bend here. Good. Just let that hip come all the way down. Good, good. All the way down, all the way down. Good. Beautiful. Alrighty, coming up, Joe.
Okay.
Let me help you here. Good. We're gonna do your neck, okay? Alrighty. Good, good. Awesome. Look all the way up. Good. Look all the, there we go. Nice, nice.
How has chiropractic helped you?
Chiropractic has helped me in so many ways. I am pain-free most of the time. I come in regularly, and I have a very, very good lifestyle. I've started chiropractic years ago already. I don't know.
You were in your 30s, 20s?
I was in my 30s.
And you go to the gym with your grandson, right? Do a lot of walking with him. Oh, yeah.
Lift weights.
That's awesome. Ooh.
Yeah, I've been trying to lift weights. I have a wonderful grandson that takes me to the university here, to the rec center, and we go and we exercise together.
Oh, yeah.
How many steps do you do a day?
Ooh.
It's impressive.
I do 6,500
Oh,
steps
wow.
a day,
Every day.
and I am 86 years old. I would recommend it for anyone.
Before we were doing only the left knee. Today we're gonna do both. And we're gonna do both moving forward.
They're gonna
Yeah.
do it.
Today, since it's been a while since we've done the soft wave, we're just gonna map the area, see where we need to focus on. We really wanna see where those hot spots are for that right knee.
Okay.
There we go. It's been a while since we've done this, right?
Oh, yes.
Let's
It
see.
lasted quite a while, though, I must say.
I don't know.
Yeah.
How have you been doing? How's the knees been feeling?
Well, if I walk too long, they will start to bother me.
Okay.
But that's normal, I think. But pretty good. It comes and goes more, I think.
Okay.
Could be the weather, too.
Gotcha. Is there one that bothers you more than the other, or both about the same?
The right one, I would say.
Right one? Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Well, let's see. Where do you feel it the most on the right one? Is it all over? Do you feel it more on one spot over the other?
No, it's located right around the knee right here.
Okay. All right. Well, let's check it out. So I'm going to spread the gel out a little bit here. Good. Awesome. And we're going to start here. Good. All righty. 1, 2, 3. Any pain here? Let me know when you feel something.
Okay.
You okay?
I'm okay. That's a little sore right in there.
Okay. What's your pain level there?
About a 3.
Okay. Not too bad.
Yeah, that's sore there. Quite sore.
Okay. More than a 3?
Yeah, I would count that a 4 or 5.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Got the spot.
Yeah, we found it.
We did.
We found it. Alrighty. Good, good.
Yeah, that's all sore right in that area.
Yeah, a little bit. What about higher up here?
That's fine up higher.
Okay.
Seems to be right there in that spot. Yeah, that's all sore right there.
So maybe that medial part of the knee. Let's see. Let's check the lateral here. How's this here?
That's fine. No
Okay.
pain there.
Go a little bit higher over here. Good. Still nothing here?
No,
Good.
it's good. That one
Good.
spot as you go to the lower,
Yeah.
right in there, yeah.
Slower
All around
medial.
that, yep, that's sore.
Right there? Okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha, gotcha. So these are the spots we're going to focus on moving forward. We're going to focus right here, and then
Yeah.
we're also going to focus right
right.
there.
That seems where it's all like located, right?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Are you working out with your son with your grandson today?
No, not today. I've got a full schedule today.
Oh, yeah, I heard. Have a lot of appointments, running a lot of errands.
My primary doctor says, well, let's see what this is. Let's go investigate that, you know? And
I mean,
I'm like,
that's
okay.
That's good, just for prevention, of course.
Yeah, it's prevention.
Yeah.
I'm new with him, and so he said I gotta like start over, you know. And
Yeah.
wanna do
Let's
this
do,
one.
yeah, we're going to do the left one.
So
Good.
it's not like when I was in Wisconsin where the doctors have known me forever.
Yeah.
You know,
Here you
so-
have to find new ones.
Yeah.
How long have you been here? In Tennessee?
Tennessee, let's see. Well, I could say January of 2000. In the beginning of January, I've been here, so I've been here a few months now.
Gotcha. And you've been doing so good with your treatments too, with the soft wave, with the adjustments.
Right.
Perfect patient.
I started this treatment with the doctor, chiropractic doctor I was going to in Wisconsin.
Oh yeah.
He says, I'm so excited we got a new treatment in, you know.
Yeah.
And he looked at me and says, I think you would be an ideal candidate. And I said, sure, let's go.
There you go.
And I haven't regretted it, not at
Oh,
all.
yeah. I mean, look at all you're doing. 6,000
know.
steps a day. You
I know.
lift weights.
I did.
Exercise with your grandson. You stay pretty active. That's awesome.
It is.
That's awesome. Best of all is with hardly any pain.
Right. That's the beauty of it.
Oh yeah.
Usually when you walk with pain, you can, it doesn't enhance your day at all. I mean, if you can go without pain, boy, that is the best thing.
I'm glad you're doing so well.
How much do you lift?
What do you think?
How much do you lift?
Oh, my grandson would answer that better than I. He gives me the weights.
Just 20-pound dumbbells.
Yeah, I'm pretty sturdy. I can lift about 35, 40 pounds.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at you. No, she's more active than all of us. That's awesome. Good.
Yeah, if I have my grandson in here, he could tell you exactly because he keeps track of all the weights.
Yeah.
Everything.
All right. How's it feeling over here? Any sore spots yet?
I think more toward the top.
Towards the center here?
Like right in that area.
Right around here?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the a little sore right there. I give that about a 3.
Okay. What about lower in here? So much there?
A little. I would give that about a 2.
Do a few more here.
No, I don't feel anything.
Pretty
there.
good. Let's check up here. Anything here?
No, I'm fine on the top.
Alrighty. Good. Perfect, perfect. All done. That was not too bad, right?
No, not at all.
You did great. Alrighty. Good, good. So we mapped both knees. We know on this one we really need to focus on the medial right here and then a
Yeah.
little bit right in here.
Right, it
Alrighty.
seems to be the area in both knees.
So we'll mark it over here, and then for your next few treatments, we're gonna focus on those areas specifically. Okay?
Sounds
Alrighty,
good. Sounds
Joan.
good.
Good, good.